Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your password on the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole user revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Airbnb app, and here it opens up in the explore page where we have some suggestions and some offers. From here we have to go into profile, and then we have to tap on login and security under the settings section, and then at the top we find login, and here we find password. If we tap on the update on the right side of it, here we can type in our current password and then our new password. After we are done, we can just tap on update password, and that's going to save it. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.